Okay, Toyota's about to make the hot hatch world sit up and take notice. Have you ever wondered what happens when one of the most famous car makers decides to turn up the heat on their already sizzling Corolla? Well, buckle up, because this could be the super hot 2027 Toyota Corolla GRMN everyone's been whispering about. Now, just announced. This leak might be more than just rumor. It's a blend of early 2000s tuner nostalgia and cutting-edge engineering. By the end of this video, you'll know why this Corolla isn't just another hatchback. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Let's dive in. The GR Corolla Morizo Edition was already bonkers. But the potential GRMN version, it takes bonkers to a whole new level. Imagine 18-inch forged wheels in a new bronze finish, an exposed carbon hood, and, get this, a rear seat delete. But here's where things get really interesting. Reports suggest a new set of GR Recaro front seats with even more bolstering. Enthusiasts, this could be what dreams are made of. Here's the thing. For those who might not know, the GRMN badge stands for Gazoo Racing Meister of Nürburgring. It's the pinnacle of Toyota's racing-inspired lineup. The only other GRMN model out there? The GRMN Yaris. Limited to just 500. It boasted a wider stance, a 44-pound weight drop, and all-wheel drive. Picture those upgrades on a Corolla. It's got gearheads buzzing. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. If this Corolla GRMN is anything like the GR Yaris, we could see a lightened chassis. Maybe even a close ratio gearbox. The GR Corolla Circuit Edition was a rare beast. But this, it might just redefine what we expect from a hot hatch. And with Toyota playing coy about the details, it's anyone's guess when we'll see this hit the streets. But what does this mean for the automotive future? Well, as manufacturers pivot towards electrification, this could be Toyota's way of keeping the internal combustion excitement alive. Could it be a bold last hurrah before the inevitable electric wave? You decide. So, what do you think? Is this the Corolla that'll redefine the hot hatch? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most and hit subscribe. Because next week I'm breaking down the latest on Toyota's plans for 2026. You won't want to miss it.